this is the pond ground. Here I'm thinking you're seeing me. Blue. And this is the shelter. People usually leave this shelter. Look at that. Do you know this? Do you know this? What's the seed? Here, the spinach. Very beautiful. It is a radish spinach. And also radish behind me. And there is also a large papaya tree. Assalamu alaikum. Now I'm visit a good and oldest pond in our village that is also located. Now you're hearing the mic sound. I think you're also hearing me. Don't focus there. It's very the mic is being the saying the Islamic song. But this pond behind me, it's very difficult to go because different kind of snake, dangerous snake also available there. So I have to be careful if I want to coverage the all pond. Okay, so here is also field. Already the paddy seed was sound, and like this way, here is one of them. It takes around 2 more months to grow properly. So I am the corner of the pond. Okay, so I have got of the pond. Here different kind of jungle. You're seeing that, and different kind of hull of red. And this is the pond ground. Here I'm thinking you're seeing me. There's also large pond, and I'll go forward, no problem. But I will say something about this pond first of all, because this pond was created around 100 years or more than time, because my parents, even my elder, even my grandfather didn't see how this pond was created. Even they says I heard from that saying or speeches, they said when I was a child I was also see this pond like what are you seeing this pond, like it was a very oldest pond in our union also, and people have no idea who made it, actually who is owner of this pond, and who are really created this. Especially when some people need soil, mud, they made it and gradually turns into pond. And nowadays in this pond different kind of fishes are being cultivated, and the constructor or controller is 1 or 2 person. And this is the part, here is no any kind of vegetables are not being cultivated or grown, but before me there is a large part of the field where the different kind of crops, especially bottle gourd, are being cultivated, or now it is different kind of spinach is being grown. I'll show you this stump before the 1 meter away. Okay, great. Now here is seeing and different kind of trees. It is called another trees. So now you're seeing the ground. This is the field, and here tomato tree, brinjal tree are being cultivated, and this is the very popular one of the vegetables in winter season. People like it. I also like this. And you're seeing the bottle gourd here also. I think this is a bottle gourd, the bottle gourd flower, and bottle gourd has not been growing, but it takes 1 week or 2 weeks to complete it. This is the I'm walking now beside the pond. Very beautiful. Here the different kind of, maybe here is also being cultivated, but the sow system or the ground system is very slow, and the seed is very low. And this is the shelter. People usually leave this shelter, and now there is no people, no person. Maybe he has gone from here for their own task, no problem. When I come for the first time with my uncle, this ground was totally jungle, and now it is cleaned for cultivating different kind of thing. I have no idea what is this. Look at that. Do you know this? Do you know this? What's the seed? If you seen or if you have idea about this seed, you should comment about this. Okay, I have no idea, but if this being grown more, then I can see, because I'm not farmer, Or I live also in you could say live in village, you should have idea about farmers or farming things. Yes, it is true, but actually I have no idea because I never ever come to the ground or in the seed. This is my in my year. This is the first time I have come to the field to visit here. Okay, it's very difficult. It's very difficult. Be careful whenever you come this type of place. You should be careful. Okay, okay. Okay. Now is go fast. Go fast. Go fast. I'm very scared because now I'm alone and I have to be careful. Behind me it has been a lot of snake, and you have seen a sound. I was being scared, but now I have seen the fish is being laughing from here to there. Okay, I have one of the stream beside the pond, and here different kind of trees, a great and trees things is being keeping in the pond to keep the fish properly. And you're seeing the back here also. This is the food of the fish, and I have no idea about also ponds why this bag is being kept here. If you idea, you could comment on the comment box. Sometimes you are seeing, okay, sometimes you see the fishes style, they are coming from the water, they go under the water and makes a sound. Okay, what is remaining behind me, you should know. Here the spinach, very beautiful. It is a radish spinach, and also radish behind me, and there is also a large papaya tree. There is also some number of papaya trees, but it is raw, not ripe. Okay, this is the brinjal, and this is the brinjal. This is tomato. There is also some tomato. It's have growing, and this is a large part of being bottle gourd. So I will see more about it. Very outstanding. Oh, capsicum. Beautiful. I like capsicum. Most of the time I eat capsicum with rice. This is one of the capsicum tree. This is a is small, but the follower has come to this capsicum. Beautiful, very beautiful capsicum. I like this is a green capsicum, chili also called. You could say this. Or what's this available more? I think you have seen something large. No problem, I will see more. This is a radish. Radish is already grown here. You see the radish. This is one of the brinjal trees. The brinjal is also come on this tree. This is some part of the tomato tree. Have you seen this? Oh my god. Have you seen this? What is this? It is called the palm tree. Not two, but also more. I have come here to practice. I have come here to show you. You never see anymore this type of village, this type of environment without in our own village. Beautiful. Okay, have you seen? There is no one trees leaves due to the thunder shower. Once upon a time, a thunder shower comes on it and it turns into it. The beautiful knot. Haven't you seen this ever? Have you ever seen this type of village? You could also share this video if you like this village, because this is my favorite village where I live. So this is my last point to talk about this home street. Okay, I will just say something about the pond because I have talked less about the pond. So this pond, what's the acre or how many percentage? If you turns into acre this field, I think I have shown the more. This is the corner. This is the corner of this pond, and now this is the air end I'm seeing, and this is the end, and this is the corner of the pond. So if you total the into acre, it may be 3 or 2 or 5 acre this pond. Especially I am telling to you this for my own idea, but no actually specific, but I have seen the pond size must be 4 or 5 acre. So if you have idea about this size, the land mapping, you could also say to me on the comment box, no problem. Okay, people, the farmers are come to their fields to sow the paddy. So goodbye. I will come another video inshallah one day. One more time. Video must be growing. So you should comment and make some video into a share and keep practicing with me. If you have no idea about my channel, should subscriber. Okay, I will come anymore anytime another place. Goodbye, see you next day.